Hey everybody, welcome to another awesome Photoshop CS6 tutorial. I'm your host Buddy Blackford, and we're going to keep on going over the preferences, and might as well start now. We're going to go over cursor preferences first. So let's go to Edit, Preferences, and Cursors. Now we've got our different cursor options here, obviously, and there's not too much, so we should blast through this. Now these cursors here are for painting, and then you just got some other cursors, and pretty much they're for I don't know, they're pretty much the other ones. So you got the standard here over on the right for other cursors, which is they just look like they're icons over here. And if you hit precise, you won't see the icon, it'll be a crosshair. So that's what you can use instead if you would like. And then over here we have the painting cursors. They're gonna either show like brush tips, or you can show them as their toolbox icons if you want. So standard is gonna be the toolbox icons. Precise over here is going to be the crosshairs again. Normal brush tip is going to be this the shape of your brush tip. So this one would be a circle, or if it was a square, it would be a square. So whatever you select as the brush tip. Full size, it shows the full size of it, including the feathered edges. And then you got show crosshair if you would like, and then show only crosshair. So those should be pretty self-explanatory. Then you got your brush preview here, where you can choose a color for the preview if you would like. Anything is fine, really. That shouldn't really matter too much. So let's head over to the transparency and gamut sections. Now honestly, I wouldn't really mess with anything in here, but I'll go over it a little bit with you. So this section is going to control how Photoshop shows the transparent areas of the document. So this would be like the background or anything. Yeah, basically it's going to be the background when everything's transparent. So let me X out of this real quick, and this is what it's going to be. So nothing is selected, or nothing is showing right now, so it's showing the background. Let me go back into the preferences here, and we can change how we want it to look. Do we want it to be large squares? Do we want dark? So I actually prefer light, and I've never seen anybody change it to anything else. So anything here it's up to you. And then you got your gamut warning here, and that just means when one of your values, when you're using the CMYK color space, when it goes over or out of the color space range, it's going to turn into this color. So change that to what you want. If you're using this color, then I suggest that you change it, but I mean, this color's not used a whole lot, so that's why they set it as a default. So just use that for your transparency. This one was really quick. That's pretty cool. Got 30 minutes until they do the next sale on Steam. It's $12.29 right now, so I'm really looking forward to see what they have on there. Actually, it's $6.23, so we're right in the middle of it. It's pretty cool. Already got a few games. Let's see, we can come down here to units and rulers. That'll be our next one. So when we use our rulers, which are these things up here, right now the rulers are in inches and the type is points. So I can mess with these. So we got centimeters, pixels. So I mean, it's helpful to change this depending on how you set up your scene. So if you're working on something that should be on a TV or a monitor, maybe using pixels would help. But Most of the time I just keep it on inches. I don't really use like measurements on it too much, but every once in a while I do need to measure out something, so I like create a marker and then create a marker and make sure that they're that far away. So hopefully that makes sense. So pretty much we got our column sizes here, and these column sizes are used for things like that have columns in them, such as like a flyer or like a newspaper or magazine or something like that. So this is how the column sizes are determined when it like makes them. So you can change those if you would want, and then you got your different basically units of measurement that you can use. Here's our new document presets. Pretty easy. Oh, I guess I better explain what gutter is. Gutter, hold on a sec. Oh, it's the, I had to think of it. It's the space in between columns. So that's what the gutter is. And then we can come down here, new document preset resolutions. So this is like the print resolution, which is like your DPI there. And then you got your screen resolution, which is for like web and stuff like that. So keep these at what they are. That's what I would say for now. So you got your print resolution and then your web and TV resolution here. Those are the main two ones that you'll use. And then we got our point pica size. So this does the type tool. So just leave it on the PostScript. That way you don't have to deal with the 0.27 unless you really want to get into the traditional way there. So I guess we'll end it there. 7 minutes in, and let's see. Yep, that's all I want to talk about in this tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Hopefully, yeah, it looks like we should finish up in the next tutorial. So we'll see you guys in that one. See you guys later.